Okay, kid, let's finish this thing without any more surprises. Go! Oh!
Hope you're happy, junk pile. This game is going down, and it's all your fault.
My lady, you came back.
Can it fix it? That cybug you brought with you? Multiplied.
No, it died in the taffy swamp, believe me.
Bull roar. Listen up, people. Head to Game Central Station now. Move it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go, go, go.
No!
I'm not letting you undo all my hard work! Is that?
No way!
What the? Who are you?
I'm Turbo, the greatest racer ever! And I did not reprogram this world to let you and that Holocaust riddled warthog take it away from me! Turbotastic! End of the line, Twitch!
Glitch. That's it? Come on, Vanelope. I know you said you wouldn't do it again, but you're gonna do it one more time. Just focus and concentrate and... glitch!